as you can see, we're getting this front motor disabled thing on the Cybertruck. So now it's like a rear wheel drive only Cybertruck. Tesla already knew about this issue because they scheduled the front motor replacement when I was doing some other work on the truck. I was saying, like, after they were changing things, now it like makes some creaking sounds in the back, and they automatically added front motor replacement to my thing. So it's already been quite a while before my actual service appointment. It was supposed to be on the 1st, I believe, or something like that, and then I pushed it out, and now it's on the 3rd, or I think it was supposed to be before the 1st. It was like December 31st or something. But anyways, I pushed that appointment out to January 10th, and then now it's having this issue on the 6th. So they knew way in advance, because I scheduled that other service visit way before the 31st, and then that's just when they had time for me to bring it in. That wasn't originally going to conflict with my schedule. But anyways, yeah, so I guess they knew this is like a recall, most likely, because yeah, they were already scheduling to replace the motor before I even asked them or had any issues. So yep. All right, and power wise, I guess we'll see once this thing speeds up. Look, I have another Cybertruck right behind me. I'm gonna see what happens if I floor it now, because it's rear wheel only now. So once the light turns green, I'll just do this zoom out mode. We'll punch it and see. Most likely it's still decently fast, but now it's like a rear wheel only because the front motor's disabled. All right, so I should be getting to go soon. Yeah, it's definitely much slower. So if you get the rear wheel only version, unless the rear motor is more powerful on that version, then yeah, it's not very powerful at all. Anyways, there we go. We'll see what they do when they fix it. It shouldn't take too long, although probably fixing all the creaking noises that I was telling them about might take them a while to find and fix all of those. Originally, when I got the truck, I had a bunch of stuff, all that stuff fixed, and it was like super quiet in here. But then after all the other service things, because they had to keep taking panels off, I'm assuming some clips broke or whatever, and then they just kind of put it back, hoping that it won't make noises or do anything weird. But that's my guess why it's all creaky, but we'll see. All right, hopefully they'll be able to fix all those noises. See you guys later.